I bought this lightweight polyurethane ceiling rose off Amazon, and here's how I fitted it myself in just a few steps. Seriously, it is so easy. These are an excellent alternative to real plaster ceiling roses, which are heavy and require screwing in. So if you want an easy DIY option, this is what you need to do. I started by finding the centre of the rose, marking that in 2 dimensions with a little cross. Just move a ruler around until you get to the longest point, and that's your diameter. Then I chose a wood drill bit and slowly made a hole, but then I didn't think that'd be quite big enough for the lighting wire to come through, so I widened that hole with a spade drill bit. If you're not power tool confident, you could just cut the hole with a utility knife instead, as your final light will cover this hole anyway. Then you're ready for fitting. Make sure the back of the rose is clean and your ceiling is too. Then get yourself a good grab adhesive or Coven adhesive and apply this on the rose. I just did lots of dots to make sure it would grab on everywhere. Installing it to your ceiling could not be easier, and these electrics aren't connected yet, so they're completely dead. If yours are live or you're unsure if they're safe, make sure you check with a qualified electrician before playing with them. Once you've done that, slide the rose into place and apply some pressure to stick it on. You can move it around a little bit too as the adhesive sets, so don't worry if the position isn't perfect first time. And that is it, your ceiling rose is on, simple as. Allow that to dry for about 24 hours, then you can fill the join with caulk, which I like to do just to give that seamless finish and close up any gaps. This is super easy. Smooth it over with soapy water on your finger for a lovely sleek finish. Another day later, once your caulk has dried, you can crack on with painting it. That's the beauty of these polyurethane ceiling roses. They're super light and easy to work with, but are also fully paintable. I used a little brush to get into all of that detail and applied 2 coats of standard matte finish emulsion. And that is it, completely finished, looking gorgeous and ready for a light to be fitted.